So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Shopify store theme. So the first thing you want to do, you can go to your Shopify admin panel. You see home, orders, customers, content, online store. You can add apps. You can also go to settings. Now through here, you can find under the online store here, you can see themes, pages, and preferences. So go to themes. It's going to be the first one here. So on here, you can see import theme. So if you have some, you can see the theme store. You can upload a zip file or you can connect from GitHub. And on there, you can just import a theme that you like. This is the DOM. This is the current theme. You can see the versions on here. You can also see your theme library, so you can choose there. And you can see here, design your store in seconds. Describe your business to create unique themes with personalized content. So you can generate themes. So you can just, for instance, type in antique and click on generate themes, and it's going to give you some some of the themes that you may like to add. So you can see here, these are some themes like Horizon, Saver, Vessel, and stuff like that. And you can visit the theme store, and there are over 80 free themes, and there's much more themes you can buy on there as well. So you can see some themes aren't free, but some of them are, and you can test them out just by going to click that and then click on add, and then you can choose them from your theme library. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.